Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you a very helpful trick which might be useful for you if you are making use of terminal a lot. So if I'm working on an Xcode project and I wanted to access a terminal, I will access this. I will say clear. So this is how I will be accessing the terminal. And if I wanted to go to the current directory, I will do like this. I'll select my project folder and I'll do this. Okay, so and then if you wanted to access Git, you can do that. So what I'm going to show you is a quick way to launch your terminal window directly from Xcode. How we can do that, I will show you. Let's go and find a text edit. Let me create a new file. I'll save it and I'll say open underscore terminal. Okay, and I'll save it. See here my format of the file which will come. It's basically it is RTF. So what I'll do, I'll delay touch press return and give a file extension sh. Okay, so and this window will be shown alert which will say you will be changing your file from RTF to sh. Click on sh. Now you could see like your file is converted into shell script. Now this has this information which we don't need, so I will just remove it. I have a reference file where I have kept a one-line command. I will share it in the description. So what we need to do is copy this, paste this, and save it. Simple enough. Now I will go to Xcode preferences, and what I will do in the behavior, I will add a new shortcut, new behavior. So I will say my new behavior is open terminal. Okay, and here I can give what is the shortcut I need. So let me give command option shift T. Okay, this is the shortcut which I have given, and I wanted to run a command which I have given. I'll say the script which is there, open terminal script, and we don't have permissions, we can see here. Okay, so let me show you how we can give permission to this. Open your terminal window. Okay, what I'll do, chmod plus and the file you can give and see if now we have the permission. So you can directly go to the preferences by pressing command and comma. Okay, here if we go, let me see if I say run script and I go to desktop and I could find it is still not there. So let me give you another command which will give us a super access. So I'll say sudo. Okay, here I am back on the terminal. Sudo chmod 755. This will give a super access permissions to my file. So I'll say I'll give my password, and now we will see command comma. We reached here. I'll say run script, and now I will try to find the script, and I can access the script. I'll select the script, open, good to go. I'll quit this. Let me find if I have a terminal window. I will quit this. I'll quit the terminal. Now, if I wanted to use the terminal window, I will say command option shift T, the shortcut which you are given. I'll press this and I have a terminal window on, and see the current directory is basically the calculator app directly. So this becomes very handy. Okay. So that's it for today. Do let me know in the comment section if you believe this trick is useful for you, and if you are the person who is interacting with the terminal window a lot. So this will be a good tip to consider. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video.